Hi all, I am Sindhuja from Weekend 200 Hours YTT batch. Initially, I was little skeptical in joining this online yoga teacher training program, thinking how would we get individual attention or how would we be corrected in case if we are doing mistakes and how would we learn. But
Namaste. I am Rekha Bhatt. When life moved to standstill because of the pandemic, this course was a complete savior for me.
Hello everyone, I am Kalyani from YTT 200 Hours course, Weekend Batch Bodhi Yoga Academy. Friends, I am here today to share a few words about my experience with Bodhi. Guys, you believe me or not, but my decision to join Bodhi was mostly a spontaneous one.
Hello, I'm Salva, originally from Turkey. I'm currently living in Hyderabad. Initially, when I was told about online YTT classes, I was very skeptical to join and was not sure how effective it's going to be. However, I decided to give level 1 YTT a try. And to my surprise, online classes were conducted with so much precision, professionalism.
Namaste. I always remain in search of completeness. And in last few months, I realized that the yoga is the only thing which can give you the completeness. Because it is not only made for physical well-being, but it is there to bring harmony among body, mind and soul.
Namaste, I'm Archana. I'm very happy to share my experience with Bodhi Academy. What I would say, it has changed our lives. Me and my husband, we both together are doing this course. It was very difficult initially because we are not used to, though we are a hardworking people, but and we have seen our parents like my father-in-law, he's practicing since many years. My mother, she's practicing since long. So we have seen them, but to put in a practice, it was very difficult for us. But
Namaste, I'm Chirinchuki Bhutia from 200 YTT Weekend Batch. I came across this Bodhi Yoga Academy through my social media page. After thinking a lot, I decided to put trust in Bodhi and I joined it. Joining Bodhi have taught me various new things in my life.
Welcome. Good morning everyone. I'm Chandrapriya, 200 hours teacher training student of Bodhi Yoga, Hyderabad. If we consider our country, right from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, numerous yoga teacher training institutes are available. Thousands and thousands of yoga teachers are there. But if we want to choose yoga as a profession, if we want to become a perfect yoga teacher, as per my personal experiences, I feel Bodhi Yoga Hyderabad is one of the best places available in India.
Hi, my name's Dion. I'm British and I've been living in Hyderabad for almost 3 years. I'm currently attending the weekend 200 hours teacher training batch with Bodhi Yoga. The course has been excellent. We've learnt so much about so many areas of yoga, and every week it's been a joy and a challenge to learn and take on all of this wonderful information.
Hello, I'm Karnika. I'm from Bangalore. I had a great learning experience in Bodhi online yoga teacher training. I've gained a lot of knowledge about yoga and seen a physical changes in me.
Namaste. I have joined teacher training program at Bodhi Yoga Institute, Hyderabad in this corona pandemic, and my life has taken a U-turn in positive manner. I'm feeling very positivity around me all the time.
I'm Dasha Javeri from सूरत. बोधि एकेडमी जो है, बोधि योगा एकेडमी है, उसके बारे में मैं कुछ कहना चाहूँगी. सबसे पहले तो थैंक्स ऑल ऑफ यू टू ऑल द ट्रेनर्स ऑफ द बोधि योगा, बिकॉज वहाँ पे जो एटमॉस्फेयर हमें दिया गया है, स्पेशली मतलब हर एक एंगल है. मोरल वैल्यू सिखाते हैं, डिसिप्लिन कैसे होती है, लाइफस्टाइल कैसे होती है, न्यूट्रिशन कैसा होना चाहिए फूड में, ना सिर्फ योगा, complete lifestyle.
And in Bodhi, my name is Krishna Vedi. I'm here to share my experience about your class.
I'm Manobya and I'm from Hyderabad, Telangana, India. So my journey in Bodhi began in 2020 May, when I was looking for online yoga classes to join in, and till then.
हाय, आई एम मनोरमा। मैंने बोधि एकेडमी ज्वाइन किया तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मैं 6 घंटे बैठूंगी कैसे, लेकिन मैंने फर्स्ट क्लास किया तो मुझे ऐसा लगा यार टाइम का पता ही नहीं चला।
Hi, good morning. I'm Monica, 200 hours YTT batch. I'm making this video because I want to share my experience at Bodhi with other and inspire them to get those benefits like me from yoga.
Namaste, I am Savita. I fall short of words to talk about Bodhi. Ashok sir, founder of Bodhi, has built such a strong learning management system. We can go back and refer any topic online.
Namaste everyone, my name is Sai Sudha. I have joined Bodhi's 200-hour RYT teacher training course certification.
Hello everyone, my name is Shahina. I am a 200 hours YTT weekend batch student. Right now our program is going to end and I feel like I'll miss it a lot.
Hi, my name is Shobha. I am from Mumbai. I am an HR by profession.
Good morning, friends. In life, generally, we need a good coach who can give us clarity, because clarity is power, and I think that power is what Bodhi has given us.
Hi, joining Bodhi Yoga is one of the best decisions I took during this pandemic period.
Pranam to all of you. I'm Usha from Hyderabad. Without much expectation, I joined in Bodhi for yoga classes. But when we are practicing continuously in regular sessions, it has really enlightened us in a better shape. And I never felt it is an online class. All of us very happy mood we participated, and we felt all of us connected and practicing the feeling.
Hello, myself Prajakta Zadhu. I am from Nashik, Maharashtra. I am a civil engineer by profession, and it is extremely joyful and challenging experience while learning, teaching, demonstrating and instructing yoga. It has helped a lot to boost up my confidence level to a great extent, and I really enjoyed the training with Ashok sir and Bodhi team.
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Rama Vagmare. I'm a YTT 200 batch student at Bodhi Yoga Institute. I really feel honored and blessed to be a part of Bodhi family.
Namaste. Today I wanted to take this opportunity to talk about Bodhi Training Academy. As we all know that charity begins at home, and we know that in order to keep our environment healthy, happy and happening, we need to keep ourselves healthy, happy and happening first, and I never understood how could we do it. It was only after I joined this course in Bodhi Yoga Academy that I learned it's kind of pretty easy.
Hi, I'm Shruti. I'm an IT professional. I've been practicing yoga from past few years, so I always wanted to learn and know more about yoga. Bodhi Yoga online teacher training program made this possible.
Hello friends, today I'm going to share my experience with the Bodhi Yoga Institute. I can say that this is one of the best institutes in this universe.
I believed in Bodhi Yoga Academy and gave it a shot, and I should say I was never disappointed throughout. So it has been an amazing experience and wonderful journey.
It included a range of activities all the way from yoga to teaching and life skills. If you're looking for a team of experts who are kind, compassionate and understanding, if you're looking for people who are experts in the field of yoga, if you're looking for people who will impart knowledge more than what is in the books, if you're looking for affordable yoga teacher training course, and if you want personal, spiritual and emotional upliftment, there is no other course better than this.
During our course, we used to start our day with an amazing session of pranayama, followed by yogasanas, meditation, powerful breathing techniques, yoga nidra, and many more things. So
that I was so happy with my decision. All the trainers are really helpful, friendly and knowledgeable. They all make us feel so comfortable that they feel like family. And then I wanted to continue to level 2 and to learn more about yoga.
In the beginning of the course, I was really concerned because it was an online course. But after joining the program, the amount of involvement, efforts and time put in by the trainers really has motivated me immensely.
I should thank Ashok sir and all our trainers, Narayan sir, Lakshmi ma'am and Vaishnavi ma'am for holding our hands in each step and guiding us wonderfully.
With the help of Bodhi Academy, special thanks to Ashok sir, Narayan sir, Lakshmi ma'am and the cute little Vaishnavi, and for the Ayurveda, Miss Sujla ma'am, she has given us a lot of information regarding the Ayurveda. I'm so happy because it is not only about the physical activities, it is all together about mind, soul, physics, Ayurveda and food.
I am grateful and truly blessed for obtaining the training and certifications of yoga trainer from the Bodhi Yoga.
it's so essential for all of us to focus on our vital life force, which is our breath. In Bodhi, they taught us not only the yogasanas or pranayamas, but also how to lead life or how to live our entire life in a holistic approach.
And it would be impossible if I have not joined Bodhi. Many trainers have guided me very patiently. I feel so calm and collected after every session. I feel so spiritually relaxed. And the more
they not only teach yoga, along with yoga, they teach social, ethical and moral values which are very much needed for a perfect yoga teacher.
Our trainers have been excellent. Naren, Lakshmi, Vaishnavi, absolutely fantastic. We've also had other trainers who helped us learn the anatomy and just so much more. So
we made such amazing people through this journey, and I would like to thankful to all those my friends.
It's been a wonderful journey. I really enjoyed all the classes and I like the way they presented the format.
They teach almost all types of asanas, level 1 and level 2 asanas, and unique pranayama techniques, different types of meditation techniques for a perfect, for us to become a perfect yoga teacher.
Even if we are learning this training through online platform, 3 trainers are allocated for one batch. This training program is perfectly designed and well executed by the trainers.
Special thanks to Ashok sir for teaching us all the disciplinal values, moral values, like story ke saath, example ke saath, so many things, giving example. हमारे बहुत सारी फैकल्टीज़ है बोधी में. हमारे सर है, लक्ष्मी मैम है, सूजना मैम है, नॉलेजेबल पर्सन है. देयर आर सो मेनी फैकल्टीज जो हमें बहुत ज़्यादा एक कंप्लीट वैल्यू एडेड सर्विस मिलता है. बहुत
The way I looked at yoga and how I practiced yoga was different, and after Bodhi, the way I started practicing yoga and my entire perspective towards yoga has changed, and I really have to thank my trainers and my
थैंक यू बोधी एकेडमी. और नॉलेज काफ़ी गेन किया मैंने टीचर ट्रेनिंग की, जो कि मुझे बिल्कुल भी नॉलेज योगा की नहीं थी.
I am just in love with Ashok sir's life skill talks which he used to share every day.
So if we enter into Bodhi Yoga as a raw stone, Ashok sir and his team definitely make us a beautiful sculpture. It means a perfect yoga teacher.
Really, I had nil knowledge about yoga before joining here. But now yoga became a part of my life and
started seeing wonderful changes as soon as I started doing yoga, and that's where I had got interest in learning this in a better way so that I can impart this knowledge to others as well.
Trainers are really working very, very hard and giving personal attention to each and every student.
Bodhi not only teaches us strong yoga concept, it also teaches us how to become an ideal yoga teacher.
So that's the reason I've taken up this teacher training course, and I would cherish the day I had made this decision forever in my life. I'm so glad that I've got to know such great teachers from Bodhi Institute.
Common mistakes of a yoga teacher, which is shared by Ashok sir, are really an eye-opener for all the teachers. Thank you, Bodhi team, for transforming many lives.
It was one of my best decisions so far. The journey with Bodhi has been very smooth and amazing. Although our classes were online classes, but I never felt a need of being physically present in the studio or with the trainer.
We got to know why yoga is so important in our lives, and how great our Indian culture is, in fact, that we have had everything set for us, ready-made for us, so that we all can lead healthy, happy lives.
My experience was tremendous. Bodhi teaches completely a depth knowledge of yoga. I have noticed a positive balance in my life during this hectic schedule.
They are just like a family, being very kind, supportive, and very patient. They are a great inspiration for me.
Another best thing I feel about this course, about Bodhi, is the importance that they have given on training our mind, how we can take control over mind rather than just focusing on asanas.
This is really very good online session, and I wish all the co-participants to continue in this journey and enlighten yourself as well as your dear and nears. Stay connected in this yoga path.
Bodhi teaches not only asanas but also how to control your mind, how to take care of your mind.
I'm really grateful to all the trainers who are like so patient, and they deal with all the students so diligently, and all the students are given equal attention. We are guided in a very appropriate and in a right manner. Though it is an online platform, we never felt that any kind of physical connect is been missing.
I used to think that I know yoga and I can do it, but after undergoing this course, I came to know many new things, more than 90 asanas. I learned so many things like meditation, bandhas, mudras, chakras, pranayama, and yoga nidra.
All you need to do is take care of yourself, physically, mentally, and spiritually.
We often think yoga is just doing asanas, but that's not at all true. It is much, much more than that. It is about discipline, asanas, pranayama, dhyana, and many more things.
My perspective toward life had changed a lot, and this is very important for me. Those who really want to learn yoga and become teacher, I really urge them to join Bodhi Academy without delay.
Teachers here who have taught us our sadhana, our yoga practices, our pranayama, meditation techniques have all helped me in changing myself very methodically and towards a positive side, of course.
Teachings coming very handy to me in order to strike a balance between work and personal life, and to maintain composure in the tough situations.
I'm so happy with my experience thanks to Bodhi team. I'm feeling so lucky to meet with you. Thank you so much.
Most important thing is that this yoga classes help me to divert the negative thoughts of the present situation. So from the bottom of my heart, I thank God and Ashok sir for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
If you have an interest in yoga or training to be a teacher, I would highly recommend the Bodhi family and their excellent trainers. So thank you to everyone in the team there.
तो this is my personal experience. अगर किसी को योगा एज अ प्रोफेशन चूज करना है तो बोधि योगा एकेडमी फ्रॉम हैदराबाद इज वन एंड ओनली द best. I would recommend it as the best thing which has happened to me. Thank you so much.
Class makes me very thoughtful, and I love the way you weave yoga philosophy into each class. Thank you.
I would like to express my deep gratitude towards our respected Ashok sir, our mentor Naren sir, Lakshmi ma'am, Vaishnavi, the entire Bodhi team. They have guided us so well through our entire journey. So if you are a beginner or a professional and aspiring to learn more about yoga, I would just recommend you none other than Bodhi Yoga Academy. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ashok sir, and your entire team for all the beautiful experiences and knowledge I have gained from Bodhi Yoga. Thank you so much.
I want to thank Ashok sir and my trainers for guiding me and giving me this wonderful knowledge about yoga, and I am so happy to be a part of Bodhi Yoga Academy. Thank you.
Co-yogis who were a part of this journey with me. Thank you everyone, and I'm really glad I picked this up, and I hope our journey in yoga continues for our lifetimes.
Thank you Ashok sir, thank you Naren sir, thank you Lakshmi ma'am, thank you Bodhi Academy, thank you YTT teacher training के लिए, thank you sir.
I am very thankful to Bodhi Yoga team for giving me such a knowledge about yoga. What I like the most about the team is they just don't say asana, they clearly explain the effects of human body very clearly. Ashok sir, Naren sir and Lakshmi ma'am, Sujna ma'am, Vaishnav ma'am, really thankful to you. Namaste.
This journey with Bodhi doesn't end here, and it starts from here. Thank you entire Bodhi team for transforming our lives.
Thank you all very much for molding us into better individuals.
So this was amazing, and it has overall changed me as a person. And I'd like to thank all my trainers, Ashok sir, Naren sir, Vaishnavi ma'am, Lakshmi ma'am, for helping us throughout this course. Thank you so much.
Seriously, this course has transformed my life in complete level. I thank each and every team members in Bodhi.
I'm really glad and fortunate to have the right coach, and I know that we're moving in the right direction. Thank you.
Initially, I joined them for 100 hours training program, but looking at my experience with them, I extend my program up to 200 hours. And I just want to share one of my experience with this institute. I was a regular facing acidic problem, and during this session I came through a Laghu Sankhaprakshasana Kriya that helped me in getting rid of this getting rid of this disease. And I request everyone, please go through this course, join Bodhi Yoga.
Actually, the trainers are very dedicated and they take care of each and every student. It's a great experience.
I wish all the Bodhi team for their best effort to molding us in a better shape in this path. Let us do and enhance ourselves and live the life the way you want, and stay connected.
Thank you so much for Bodhi Academy for brightening my life to a great extent.
Deep and sincere gratitude from my side to Bodhi family, and I'm looking forward to stay connected with Bodhi throughout my life.
I would like to take this opportunity to thank my teachers, to thank Ashok sir and his entire team. I hope that someday I will be able to carry your legacy. Thank you.
Bodhi Academy and all yoginis, good luck for your future and thank you.
Thanks to Ashok sir, Naren sir, Shriram sir, Vaishnavi ma'am, Lakshmi ma'am and Sujana ma'am for being with us throughout this training program. This is a life lesson. I can say the treasure which our ancestors left behind us to thrive in our life. We all should learn and know more about yoga, practice it in every day, and which in turn build better us, better future and ideal society. Thank you.
And you can stay rest assured about the hands-on resources, about complete assistance as a beginner for you, about complete materials and guidance in all aspects of your life, and also a value which is more than what you would pay for. And this comes from a happy, satisfied and a certified yoga trainer learned from Bodhi Yoga Training Academy. Thank you all.
I'm feeling very happy to be part of Bodhi Yoga Academy and having got an opportunity to do this training during this pandemic period.
मेरा ये कहना है, अगर आप टीचर ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम बोधि योगा इंस्टीट्यूट से ले रहे हो तो वो आपको परफेक्ट ट्रेनर बना के ही छोड़ेंगे. आई रियली थैंक यू टू अशोक सर, नरेंद्र सर, वैष्णवी मैम एंड लक्ष्मी मैम. Proud to be an Bodhi student. Thank you so much for everything.
Last but not least, I am really thankful to all my fellow yogis who provided me encouraging and motivational environment. I am thankful to all. Thank you. God bless you, Bodhi Yoga Academy, and all my fellow yogis. Thank you all. Namaste.